Barora mean a lot to me, just because my kids will depend on Barora. That's why I don't want to disturb or destroy Barora because of my kids' generations. So that's why I have to fight for the right, for the generations' right.
In the Kia area, they experience a lot of logging. Yeah, the whole island of Isabel is logged. And some of the resources that they use for food, it is affected.
We know that the damage is caused by logging. If you look around everywhere here, logging everywhere. It is good for only few people, but not everyone.
Currently, we're working with the women in Isabel, a religious group that call themselves the Mothers Union. The first time I met Margaret was in a workshop in Buala. And out of the people that come for the workshop, Margaret was very outspoken. Yeah. She talks about what is going on in Kia and what is going on in Isabel. And it seems that she's talking from her heart. She has a passion and commitment.
Women are very important on conservation, following our history, of our land, our inheritance, our identities. They are the ones very important on conservation because they will maintaining or connecting our histories for our next generations.
We empower them. Many people in the community, they do not know what is going on there or how does it affect about extractive industries that is happening in their backyard or their environment. I have a very positive feeling that the women have come up to this and take a proactive stand against it.
Conservation is very good. I need conservation for sustainable harvest where future generation still experiencing how I use that environment or resources where there's plenty of fish, plenty of birds, beautiful islands, fresh water.